In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cell reference to another worksheet or another Excel file in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file. This will be the workbook where you want the referenced value to appear. A cell reference is useful when you want one cell to automatically display information from somewhere else without typing that value manually. That way, if the original value changes, the reference cell updates too. First, let's create a reference to another worksheet in the same Excel file. Start by selecting the cell where you want the result to appear. This is your destination cell or the place where Excel will show the value from another sheet. Once that cell is selected, type an equals sign. This tells Excel that you're about to enter a formula. Next, click the Sheet tab that contains the cell you want to reference. After switching to that worksheet, select the exact cell you want to link to. Excel will automatically build the formula for you using the sheet name, followed by an exclamation mark, and then the cell reference. This format helps Excel know exactly where to pull the value from. Now press Enter. As soon as you do, you'll return to your destination cell, and you should see the value from the reference cell appear there. This is a simple and reliable way to connect information across multiple worksheets in the same workbook. Now let's look at how to create a reference to another Excel file. For this part, make sure both Excel workbooks are open. One workbook is the destination where you want the result to appear, and the other workbook contains the value you want to reference. In the destination workbook, click the cell where you want the result to display. Then type an equal sign just like before. After that, switch to the other workbook and click the cell you want to reference. Excel will automatically create the formula for you. In this case, the formula includes the workbook's file name and the sheet name inside single quotation marks, followed by an exclamation mark and the cell reference. This tells Excel that the value is coming from a different file, not just a different sheet. Press Enter and Excel will display the value from that referenced cell in your destination workbook. This is especially helpful when you're working with data stored across separate files and want everything to stay connected. And that's it. You now know how to create a cell reference to another worksheet and to another Excel file in Excel.